Welcome today so that we can look at weather instrument that I had said we are going to look into. That is an air thermometer. So welcome, we preview and make sure you like it. Let's have a look at it. This is the air thermometer that we have here. This image there. So on top here, we have got the bottle. Then this bottle contains air. The bottle contains air. I have held it to my frame here, which is a strong paper, which I've modified it to give it enough strength to hold the bottle. So here on top, there are rubber bands and a sellotape. And joined here by air. This is an airtight cork. Down here we got straw, and as you can see, it have got colored water. And mind you, remember that air thermometer, we label it from the top. And down here we've got a colored liquid which I've put in this container. So we are going to take our air thermometer out there. Right now we see how it's going to behave in the presence of a sunshine. So there we go. Out there we are now, and we can be able to see. We can be able to see what's going to happen. So this is our thermometer here, and out here we can see now it is a bit. If you look, it's a bit warm. Today is cloudy, but it's a bit warm. So unlike other days, so you can see our water level here is at 2, and I know this temperature is going to push and make the air inside this bottle expand and push this colored water down the straw. So you can watch as it has already started. It was at 2, now it is have headed to 3 units now. And if you see, this one is an improvised experiment whereby I've used a simple thin glass wall bottle. So you can see it that way. So that is, by now it is at 3, so we can continue and see as the temperature keeps on moving up and up. So you can have a look at it. It is now approaching 4. The temperature is going up. You can see I've placed it on top of a bin. That's just a rubbish bin in our school compound. So here it is where it's an open place, a bit cloudy today. And you can see now, within less than a minute, it has gone another unit, 4th unit. So if you look at it, there it's now at 4, heading to 5. So this colored water, we put color in this water for visibility, though that color did not come out very clear in the straw. So for you to get accurate results, you can use the inner tube of a ballpoint pen, and your results will be very accurate. So that time, the cloudy weather today, though it is warm. So you see now it has gone to 5. We have 5 units now. So this one, it is really nice. So the weather today is a bit better. We can be able to see it moving slowly by slowly from 5 now to 6. It is heading to 7. The highest I have put in my Manila scale here at 8. So you can be able to see it moving now towards 7. It's a bit tricky trying to focus my camera. So now it's a bit nice. You can be able to see them clearly. It is clearly visible. And I have been planning to do this experiment, but now it has turned out to be the right time for the experiment. So this one is really nice. So what is happening? If you be asked what is happening, from the bottle on top, there on top, in it, it have got air. That's why we call it an air thermometer. When that air becomes warm and it is heated a little bit, it expands. And because the cork is tight, it cannot escape. So it pushes the water in the straw downwards. That's why you have seen the scale of an air thermometer. We start labeling from the top. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 downwards. And with that, we can be able to easily record the temperature easily. So that is it. We can be able to see that. So I decided to put my instrument in a place. So first of all, I allowed it to cool. Then I placed my warm hand there so that I can make the air in the bottle expand quickly. And you can see when I place my hand there, the air thermometer records the temperature of my body, and the air in it expands continuously. And we can be able to see that expansion by the water being pushed down this straw quickly. So you can see from 1, 2, 3, now 4, 5, 6, 7, and it went all the way to 8. So as we shall going to see, so you can see where I'm handling it there. And this one is to increase the temperature. So it has gone little down 7. There we go, up to 8 is heading to 8. Now, afterwards, I also wanted it to cool very fast so that we can be able to see. So I can release my hand now. So then I look for a book. I don't know what I'm going to get. One, yeah, I've got one here. So, and then I did pan. Let me see. I let you see. I tried to give it a breeze, a cool breeze, so that it can be able to cool. The air in it can cool vigorously or quickly. Yes, now I'm panning it. I'm panning it, and you can see at my Manila scale here, it has started to cool down. The water in the bottle is contracting, and the water is rising at the straw here. It is rising. Let me focus it properly. It is rising. It's at 6 now, and we started at 8. So what's happening here? It is contraction of air in the bottle. So it is heading to 5. And if I continue cooling, it will continue rising. So this one now, we can be able to attest that an air thermometer, it works on expansion and contraction of air inside the thin glass water bottle. So I used this color of a bottle. I did not get a clear one, but next time I know we are going to get a clear bottle. So in today's lesson, we can be able to see it is still rising, the air contracting, water being pushed up to go and occupy that space that have been left by the contracted air. And also that push is also helped by the atmospheric pressure acting on these colored water. So you can see it is all the way to 3. So that's really nice. That's how we see it can go cool, go up to 1. So we are going to stop it at there. And that is the way I wanted to demonstrate to you on my air thermometer. So subscribe to my channel as you continue to get more educative videos. So thank you.